have anti-aging, anti-acne or anti-dry skin concern, or in other words, if you are human, acids are great for your skin. They work by helping you get new skin quicker through a process dermatologists call turnover. New skin is shiny and bright and looks better than old skin. From this video, you will learn everything about non-painful essential face acids. Okay, let's start with main question. What is acids? Simply put, acids are a skincare ingredient often used for exfoliation. There are two main groups of acids in skincare: alpha hydroxy acids or AHA and beta hydroxy acids BHA. Both groups loosen the fluid that binds cells to the top layers of the skin, and once this happens, a smoother, brighter surface is revealed. Depending on the strength of the acid. Have you ever noticed how scales wall of the skin after peeling? Yes, those are all dead cells. What types of acids are used in skincare? First, let's break down the difference between AHA and BHA. AHAs are water-soluble and work primarily on the surface of the skin, making them a good option for face lines, texture, and dullness. BHA, on the other hand, can penetrate deep into clogged pores and are therefore beneficial in treating and preventing acne. Top 3 AHAs. Glycolic acid is one of the most effective acids available. It regenerates collagen, thickens the skin and even our skin tone. But be careful with over-application. Glycolic acid can cause irritation. Second is lactic acid. Lactic acid is the second largest molecule of all acids. It's milder than glycolic and draws moisture to the skin, which also makes it a moisturizer. Lactic acid is quite gentle and suitable for people with sensitive skin. Number 3 is fruit acids, even milder, and fruit acids such as citric, commonly derived from lemon and grapefruit, and malic, commonly derived from apples. Those larger compounds work on the topmost layer of the skin and are often combined with glycolic or lactic acids to increase their effectiveness. Best BHA, salicylic acid, is one of the most popular ingredients for minimizing acne. This is because salicylic acid penetrates and dissolves pore clogging oil and also exfoliates dead skin cells. What's more, it works without irritating already inflamed skin as it has anti-inflammatory properties. Hyaluronic acid, known for its moisturizing properties, this remedy helps to retain moisture on the surface of the skin, which can help soften the appearance of wrinkles. Congratulations! You're now an official graduate of Acids 101. The main takeaway: face acids are your friends. When used correctly, they can have a lasting effect on the texture and tone to your skin. The last question is how we can use these acids for skincare to do exactly correctly, the way correctly. What are some ways? I'll describe to you some ways how you can use it. Incorporate acid into your daily skincare routine. Here is basic way you can use them in your skincare routine. Step 1. Wash your face with a basic mild cleanser. If you have acne or oily skin, a salicylic acid cleanser is worth buying. Step 2. Use serum. Step 3. Use a cream for your skin tone. You can also add acids to cream or some serum, as well as masks or homemade peels. Remember to apply a cream for SPF, especially if you use something with acids in the morning.